Raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Tumigil na ako na. Kamusta ka na? Nagbabagsak ulit. Nanginginig, it's raining in Manila, hindi ka pa nilalamig. Wala.
So, yeah. Wait lang, anong yambal ko? So, ayun. May pupuntahan kami pero hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Kasunod lang kami. Ang buto pa. Benta na yung kanto. Makatempo lang ang mga tao. Tawag lang. Hindi ka huwag iwalay. So, this is the last day of the Tinalak. Wala kami sa alunan kay Gaudi. Ano to? Di man. Charla. Di ko pwede mabasa yung tunay na motibo. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wait. Bangga sa dream, baby. Ahagay. Ahagay ni. Feel ko 2 kilometro gila ka ba? Sobra. Eh dito pag nasa may ano ay So today is July 21. It's been a week since the Tinalak Festival started now. And yeah, since Mutya. And tomorrow we will have a enrollment. Kaya babalik na ako sa boarding house. And yeah, I'll see you there. This is the first school vlog. So yeah, basically I didn't vlog kanina sa van kasi nahiya ako kasi nandun yung mga schoolmates ko. And no, now it's time to be there. No shame, vlogger. Public. Yeah. So as you can see, on my cup, I have a makeup on and it's very hot because it's already 9 a.m. in the morning. 9:15. And papunta na ako sa campus. Papasok na ako sa campus. Papunta pa lang mula ako sa campus. Malayo pa yung yung gate ng campus kasi iikot pa ako. but it's okay. I don't have my umbrella. Wala akong umbrella, te. Pero okay lang. I look cute. There. I look cute, right? Tabad. So, I'm from the SKSU Access Campus. I'm taking the Bachelor of Physical Education. And now, I'm enrolling for my sophomore year. Yes. And I am so sorry if I didn't document any. I didn't have any documentation during my freshman year, and I badly regret it. Cause, yeah, basically didn't vlog. Because it's very hectic and busy, and I'm just adjusting during that time. Ay, gaya English. Pero mo to, tama. Wala ko documentation na bisa to nga time because I'm busy. And also, nag-ano pa ako sa, may sinalihan pa akong dance troupe dito sa Access Campus, which is the Teatro Calacad Cultural Dance Troupe. So my makeup's kinda basic because, I don't know, I look gray. And my foundation doesn't match my skin, basically because it's warm beige and I am almost tan. I'm using Pink Flash warm beige shade number 3, and also I'll bring water, and also the line maybe will be that long. Yeah, expected. Now I'm in the outside of the campus and I'm taking a turn. Punta ako sa may likod ng gate. Hindi naman ako nakapag-film.
Ulit na sa malayo nun, ito katulog.
Tapos ako fill up. Walang ko madali. Hi, Feb. Spotted kid ko. Agenda here. Wala ni background ko. 25 pesos. Bili pa ako school supplies. Next stop, Nita Binder. Anong adlaw, subong? Oh, ganit. Pizza. Wala. 26 kahapon. 27. July 27. Ay. Mangkapoy. Yeah. Magligo kayo sa hawa. Karayo. Ligo kami sa hawa sa my birthday. Dito pa. Ato itong may cottage nga blue. Gani. Wala. Panindigan na yung decision mo, tita. Sige lang. Ang baluman, wala kat lang ta. View. Kaya pa, tita. Yeah. Hey, baby. Ay. Bea. Sab. Wala. Digitan siya. Dolom! Tapos na ba yung location Talisay Lake Cebu, Purok 4, Kawa. Sila. Ato ne. Ato ne. Kalukalo niyo.
Yoy, ako na lang baka yoy. Ano, sunod ka na to.
Wala man nag-brownie mo mermaid na.
Ikaw, dala mo bra mo.
Ah?
Dala mo bra mo.
Wala na wala vlog.
Schedule daw mabalik man dito ang gapo ng schedule. Magkuha kami ng ano no? Magkuha kami ng soft drinks. Oh yeah, ayun. Magkuha lang kami sa ano. Magkuha lang kami ng soft drinks. It's not sponsored. Kasi, ay, maligo kami, magkain kami, walang ano, walang panulak. Panulak!
White cloud.
Tapos, nila oh.
Hindi na pa may galing.
I'm going home. Ako lang. Tapos kasi ako maunang umuwi. Ay lang. Baby, I don't care if you got haters in your heart. This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. He was neater, he was better, and my dreams felt so right, but I woke up every time. Wala dre. Wala dre.